I just got back from a long trip and took a bunch of underwater shots with the X5 and the Ace Pro 2. As you can see, I'm currently reframing the X5 shots. I'll be publishing a detailed underwater tutorial for the X5 soon, but that will take some time, as I always try to make the best tutorial possible. But I made today's video for a different reason. I've produced a lot of videos about Insta360 cameras and other Insta360 devices over the past few months. And I've noticed from your comments that perhaps the biggest disadvantage of Insta360 products compared to its competitors seems to be the price. Insta360 always tries to deliver, for example, a slightly better sensor or a few more features than the competition, but this sometimes makes it a little more expensive. And so some of you have said that you would be interested in the X5 or the Ace Pro 2, for example, if they were just a little cheaper. A few days ago I received a message from Insta360 saying that there are some particularly good deals available right now until July 14th. Perhaps the best Insta360 deals of the year so far. So I thought it might be the right time for you if you're interested in an Insta360 device. Maybe you can save a few bucks. But let's take a look at the best deals and see if they're really that good. And I'll tell you what I personally think of them. In my opinion, two deals in particular are extremely good. Most of the time there's a discount and an additional free affiliate gift, which is a useful accessory that you get for free with your purchase. However, you have to use an affiliate link to make the purchase. You can find affiliate links to all products in the video description. My favorite Insta360 camera is the X5. Definitely the best 360 camera you can buy right now. At $550, it's not exactly cheap though. That's partly because of the two large sensors built into it. The X5 is currently $30 cheaper. That's not a huge amount. However, since its release in April, this is the first time that the X5 has been offered at a slightly lower price. In addition, as an affiliate gift, you will receive a lens replacement kit, which you can use to replace a lens if it has been damaged. This can be very useful, as the protruding lenses are a potential weak point. You no longer have to send the camera in for repair, which can be inconvenient. You can easily replace the lens yourself. And you also get 6 months of free cloud storage with 200 GB of storage space. As I said, the discount is not huge, but it's the best offer for the X5 so far. And together with the lens replacement kit and the cloud storage, it's not a bad deal. By the way, there will soon be some very interesting news about the X5 that you definitely shouldn't miss. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're interested. If you want to spend less money on a 360 camera, then the current deal for the X4 is very interesting. The X4 has smaller sensors than the X5 and is therefore not as good in low-light conditions. But it's still a great 360 camera that in many respects is only slightly inferior, and you can currently get it for $350. To be honest, I don't know if the X4 has ever been this affordable. As an affiliate gift, you get a very useful invisible selfie stick with a length of 114 centimeters and a free neck gaiter. If you can't decide between the X5 and the X4, check out my detailed comparison between the two cameras. I'll also provide a link to that video in the description. In my opinion, the offer for the Ace Pro 2 is also very good. The standard model with 2 batteries currently costs $350, which is $70 less. And the affiliate gift is also great. A high quality multi-mount worth $46. This is a selfie stick with a joint in the middle. You can therefore bend it in the middle, making it barely visible in the shot. It also has a small tripod on the bottom, which you can use to set up the camera for time lapses, for example. Overall, I think this is a great offer if you're looking for a traditional action camera. On my channel, you'll find a comparison between the Ace Pro 2, the Action 5 and the Hero 13, as well as a comparison between the Ace Pro 2 and the X4 or X5. Links to these videos, as well as all the other videos I mentioned today, can also be found in the video description. That way you don't have to search for them if you're interested in one of these videos. 2 days ago I posted a video about the best accessories for the X5. In that video I ranked the 10 best accessories for the X5. Check it out if you're interested. I can already tell you that the 2 top ranked accessories are also currently on sale with a 10% discount. And also on sale for the first time is the Flow 2 Pro, and with a 15% discount it's a pretty good deal. And as a very exclusive gift, you'll also receive a magnetic phone mount if you use the link in the description. All in all, I think this is an excellent offer. Overall, for me personally, the 2 best offers are those for the X4 and the Ace Pro 2, simply because the price is great and both are great cameras. And regardless of what the competition comes up with this year, it will certainly be more expensive. I also think the offer for the Flow 2 Pro is very good. The gimbal is a new and excellent device, and you get a discount and a very useful magnetic phone mount. So if you're interested in one of these products, Now is not a bad time to buy. As I said, the offers are still valid until July 14th. Links to all offers, including the affiliate gifts, can be found in the video description. If you still have doubts about any of these products, you can also find many comparison videos and tutorials on my channel. I hope this video has helped you save a few bucks. Let me know in the comments if it was really helpful for you. There will be more tutorials and reviews on Insta360 devices. So stay tuned and see you next time.